There. I think the rear end broke.
Go crazy, berserker.
Alright, welcome back for another video. It's been a long week. It's rained all week, so not much got done this week, but one thing that did get done is we got the car all washed up. Looking all fresh now, so Bo can't talk any more shit. Took a ton of time to get all that rubber and shit off the back there that was from Dig or Die, so she's looking fresh now and we're good to go. So today we're headed off to St. Thomas Dragway. They got a test and tune out there, so we're headed down there. We're gonna meet Bo down there, Ben from Pro Tree Videos, Ron, Mike Graham, Brian, a bunch of the No Prep guys are gonna be out there, so we're gonna start getting headed out that way now. We do have a crew member in training with us today. Haley, say hi, Haley.
Hi.
So Haley's my daughter, so she's gonna come out and start learning some of the ropes so she can help out at No Prep and whatnot. So the more crew, the better. So when people can't make it, then we got some backup plans. But yeah, so I guess we'll go get some breakfast. Yeah, we're gonna go find somewhere to eat and head on down to St. All right, so we made it out here to St. Thomas Dragway for the test and tune. So we're just waiting for Bo to show up. Haven't seen any of the guys yet. We got to get the car unloaded and then we're going to get everything all set up, tire pressures, launch control, all that sort of stuff. There's a ton of stuff we got to figure out and get set up to get it going. So yeah, first things first, we'll get it pulled off the trailer and start going through that process.
Are we all on this?
All right, so we got the car unloaded. It's all ready. All the suspension's set up. Launch control set up. I think we got everything set up. Everything should be good to go. So,
and the car's clean.
Oh yeah, this is Bo. Say hi, Bo.
Car's clean.
Car's clean. He's happy. It's approved. Approval.
It's approved. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we're gonna go check out the surface and see what it looks like first before we end up in the staging lane. So we'll head over there now.
Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Chris Peglow's daughter, and I'm gonna be filming him going down the track. You have to add this in. Okay, Dad? Okay, love you guys.
So I just thought I'd add that this is his favorite thing in the world. Not his daughter, not me, just this. Just this. And I'm also the only kid that he knows about, so we'll see you guys. Let's go.
right, so we got our first pass in. Faster than my fastest pass on the first go there. That was a little rough. The 60-foot wasn't too bad. It felt like it was spinning a bit at the top of first, and then when I hit second, and then it was pulling me to the left when I got up to about a couple hundred feet away from the 8th mile, so we'll have to figure that out. Tire pressures seem all good, so we're gonna let it cool down. Review the video, I guess, and see what the suspension was doing, and then we'll see if we need to make any adjustments from there. All right, we went over the videos, checked out what the suspension was doing. Everything seemed to be bang on. The front was lifting, holding where it needed to be. We were separating in the rear. The tire wasn't driving over itself. So the only change I think we're gonna make is we're gonna add another 100 RPM to the launch and see how that goes. And yeah, now that I've shook the cobwebs off and made a first pass, hopefully the next pass will be a little bit better. So.
I'm not too sure what happened right there, but we better say Pegalo's out. We won't see you at No Prep next weekend. I don't know yet. He will update you.
Yeah, we'll figure her out. There. No, I think the rear end broke. That's what I think it is. Because when I left, the car almost just moved here. Like I started up, I let the clutch out. I'm like, oh, it's gonna move, and then it stopped moving again. And I can hear some like crunching in the back. Yeah. And it doesn't matter what gear I put it in, so I think the diff probably blew apart.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Fuck.
I think it's the rear end.
Yeah?
I'm pretty sure.
Fuck's sakes.
Sure.
I'll try my best to stay smooth. I hope this thing stays hooked up.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave
Yeah, just trail them in. I'll try and stay smooth. We'll do our best.
All right, as you can see in the last clip, what was towing me back there with the ATV. Shout out to Rick Myers, for letting us use the ATV to pull the car back. So yeah, the car is broken. We think it's the rear end, so we're gonna start messing around with it. I guess pull the cover off and check for shrapnel. I guess that's all we can do. So yeah, we'll catch you in a bit. All right, we got her off here. And as you can see, there's the carnage. And if you look right about there, there's supposed to be a gear there. That gear's not there. That gear is everywhere. So yeah.
Mostly down there.
Yeah, down there. But yeah, that's what happened. And that top gear's all mashed up too. So yeah, good times.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, hey, welcome back. It's fucking Ish. Hey, welcome back. It's your boy Bosley back in this Pegalos channel here. Just showing you guys what the fuck's going on here. Got a full shop. Fucking Pegalos decided to center too hard, bud. And rear end has left the chat. We're gonna get some parts. We're about 2 weeks out, looks like. Gonna be another shit show, and then we'll get out and fucking do some more fucking wheelies and break her again. Woo!
We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. We gon' burn it down. Burn it down. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder. I killed it, it's murder.